You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Belle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell and follow me over on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a super realistic 1 hour power hour clean with me. I literally set the clock for 1 hour and just tried to get as much done as possible. This right now is just the living room. As you can see, it is covered in cat toys. How it happened, I have no idea. You're gonna have to ask the cats. But anyways, let's get started tackling this super messy living room.
The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't.
Some of you guys know that I have recently purchased a new couch, and as you can see, I have covered it in plastic, trying to prevent Tulip from scratching it. Within the first 5 minutes of me getting the new couch, she jumped on and tried to scratch it up. There's actually evidence of this, I think in my previous video, where she just jumped on and started clawing away at it. So I put plastic all over it to try to prevent this.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
So here in Buffalo, it has been super hot, and I have not left the house in like 2 days because it has just been in the high 80s. My air conditioner has been on like 70 for days. I just can't do the heat. How are you guys holding up? What is the weather like where you're from? Are you guys enjoying the summer? What is your favorite season? Because personally, I'm a fall girl, and as much as I love fall, like I do enjoy the summer, don't get me wrong. It's just super hot days I can't do. So in the kitchen, thankfully Jerry did the dishes, so all that really needed to be done was wiping down counters and cleaning the coffee off of the wall and the door, and there was just a ton of coffee grounds in the sink from when he made coffee. So I went ahead and scrubbed the sink as well and just disinfected the countertop. I am using the multi-surface cleaner from Miss Meyer's. This one is in the smell apple pear, and it is one of those concentrates that they have out. You can actually get them over at Target now. I love that Target carries Grove Collaborative stuff now, just because, like, I get free shipping because I'm part of the VIP list, but it's just so much more convenient to be able to just drive down to Target and get what I need. I also am in love with this new Clean Freak from Mr. Clean. I use it on all of my appliances, and then I use the Scrubbing Bubbles, which is also really good on all of my dishes and super hard to clean greasy things like the top of my stove. So if you guys have not tried those two, I highly recommend them. I'll see if I can find like some discount codes for you guys down, and I'll link them down below. I can't talk today for you guys. So if I can find something, look for those links. But yeah, I know you guys really like sink cleaning, so I hope you enjoy the kitchen clean with me. This kitchen wasn't too bad. It usually is really messy, but it wasn't too bad today. The floor was kind of gross. There was dry dirt on it. I did sweep before I mopped. I just cut the video because it was at a really bad angle. But I am in love with the steam mop. This one is from Shark, but it does such a good job. There was tons of like sticky things on the floor again. I think it's from Shiloh, like, running around the house, to be honest. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's causing the stick. It might just be spilled coffee, especially near the garbage can. Near the garbage can gets so messy and so gross. So I just went in and cleaned that up, and then I just tidied up the hallway. Due to Shiloh being on virtual school, I didn't vacuum earlier when I tackled the living room. But now that she is on break, I went ahead and just vacuumed up, just because I didn't really want to interrupt her class. Are your kids going back to school, or are you keeping them on a homeschooling schedule? I know it's going to be a little bit hard for everyone when next year comes around, because I'm not really sure if I want to send her back to school. To be honest, she really just excelled in digital learning, and she just did so good. She made merit roll. She was 2 points away from getting a 90, so I'm just super proud of her for that. By this point in the video, it is roughly around 1:30, and Shiloh's teacher has ended the class early, and Shiloh didn't have any specials, so she was completely done for the day. So I took this opportunity to clean the dining room up and get it all nice and tidied, and just did a quick clean with me because I was pressed on time at this point. For the vacuuming, I did just pull the chairs out instead of just trying to put them in the kitchen, because I felt like that took up a little more time than I would just pulling them out and vacuuming around them. I also went ahead and washed the windows on the door. I did not do the outside door, and I didn't have time to do the back window because that would have involved moving all of my obsessive collecting of plants. I am in love with plants. I don't know where the newfound obsession with plants came from, but it is a new thing. But anyway, I'm just tidying up this dining room. I did a rough vacuum of everything, including the hardwood and the doormat. Though I do have to say, giving myself an hour to clean does seem to accomplish quite a bit compared to my normal everyday recording. I don't know why, maybe because I'm just more, I don't know, fast-paced, per se, but I just wanted to make sure I got everything done, everything cleaned, and I could not believe how dirty this window was, and after I cleaned it, it was so much brighter in the room. I'm gonna have to go through and clean all of the windows in my house.
Stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young.
So time was up. I had 2 minutes to spare, so I just quickly recorded the end of the timer, and I am so happy with the hour that I did. Afterwards, I totally relaxed for a bit and played some video games. But anyway, it looks so nice. I didn't get to everything that I wanted to. The bathroom is still a mess, but I'll do that in my next video and get that all tackled with. I'm thinking about doing a laundry motivation video. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. I'm also going to be doing a kids room makeover soon. I'm so excited for that video as well. My daughter is also very excited. She is getting a new bed sets, wall stickers. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. That might come up in like a week or so. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me in today's Clean With Me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the Super Clean With Me Power Hour. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and make sure you hit all. I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!